Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Creatives took center stage yesterday, Heroes Day, for the National Honors and Awards ceremony held at King's House. Veteran DJ Winston Yellowman Foster and fashion icon, singer and actress Grace Jones were among the list of Jamaicans to receive prestigious national awards from the Governor General. King Yellowman, as he is rightfully called, rose to fame back in the early 1980s, making his mark as a reggae dancehall DJ. The iconic melody of Zungo Zeng to the comedic musings of Mr. Chin and his master of freestyling over the turntables has enabled him to secure his place as one of music's greats, helping to put dancehall on the map. Yellowman was yesterday given the Order of Distinction OD in the rank of officer for his contribution to the music industry. In keeping with the celebration of excellence, Grace Jones, whose career successfully spanned fashion, the performing arts and film, was awarded the Order of Jamaica OJ for her exceptional contribution to the field of entertainment. Jones is known for her work with prominent fashion houses such as Yves Saint Laurent and Kenzo. She's also appeared on the covers of Elle and Vogue magazines. She went on to record popular albums including Warm Leatherette, Nightclubbing and Slave to the Rhythm. Other recipients for the day included veteran broadcaster Donovan Dacres, who received the Badge of Honor. Filmmaker and author Barbara Blake Hanna accepted an Order of Distinction. Veteran broadcasters Winston Barnes, Dermot Hussey and former Reggae Sumfest executive Johnny Gorzong. Congrats to all the recipients who were awarded yesterday. Now, Jamaican performer Dalton Harris continues to wow judges with his astonishing performances at the British competition X Factor. Dalton has successfully made it to the live rounds after delivering an exceptional performance of Beyoncé's Listen during Louis Tomlinson's Judges Houses round. The 2010 Digicel Rising Stars winner set the perfect emotional tone for the performance by talking about the naysayers who had doubted his ability to make it to the pinnacle of the music industry, while adding his reason for choosing this song.
I chose this song because of the message. The message is saying, stop talking, listen to me now. This is my time to pursue my dreams the way I want it to.
Were people telling you you couldn't do it?
Yes, it said I couldn't do it. You know, a Jamaican will never get a record deal. So, I want to prove some people wrong.
Dalton Harris will now join other singers Brendan Murray, Anthony Russell and Armstrong Martin from the boys category in Ibiza, who will go through to the live round.
Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own, all cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroad.
Dalton Harris also shared this video on his social media of his experience performing at the judges' house.
Performing for Liam, Niall and Louis. You know, being a part of this is such an awesome experience and I am so tired, you know, but it's been fun.
The live show round will air next Saturday evening. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.